There are many pressing questions regarding violent extremism. How and why do people radicalize? Why and when do people join violent extremist movements? And why do they or don't they engage in violent activity?
Issues related to security and extremism continue to make headlines, so it is of crucial importance to both understand its historical roots as well as new developments.
In our online summer program, special attention is given to online narratives on social media and other platforms, which is especially fitting as this year's program will be online. The city of The Hague houses an extensive community of researchers and practitioners in the field of counter-terrorism and security. Leiden University forms an integral part of this community. By joining our online summer program, you are able to get in touch and engage with the parts of this community and get a solid understanding and grasp of the challenges we face with regard to violent extremism.
This course is meant for professionals who already work in the field or those who wish to acquaint themselves with it. I hope to see you this summer.